सिटी ऑफ जॉय के लेखक और पद्म भूषण से सम्मानित डोमिनिक लेपियर हमारे साथ हैं। उनसे हम कुछ सवाल पूछेंगे, उनकी अच्छाइयाँ, उनकी वो जो पसंद करते हैं, नापसंद, सब चीज़ों को लेकर हम उनसे बात करेंगे। सर, वेलकम टू सहारा समय। I will first ask you a question. What attracted you to India, particularly Kolkata?
I had the pleasure and the honor to do a big research in India for 3 years to write a previous book called Freedom at Midnight with my colleague Larry Collins. It is a book about the independence of India, about Gandhiji, about the transfer of power. And this research has given me a love story for India. And when the book was a big success, I went to Calcutta with some money to give it to a home who would be rescuing leper children. And I found this home. It's called Udayan Resurrection. And since now 28 years, I've been associated with the support of this home. And from one home, the idea of humanitarian support, the idea of showing my love for the less affluent people of Bengal grew. And now I have 14 projects in Bengal, some in the Sundarbans, some in the slums of Calcutta, some in rural Bengal, which I know it's a drop of water in the ocean of needs, but Mother Teresa always told me, without this drop of water, the ocean would not be the ocean.
Sir, how it feels when you receive the Padma Bhushan award?
It was a very great emotion because to receive this from the president of the second largest country in the world was for me something really unique. It was the official recognition from official India for the work of love I have been doing for 28 years. This Padma Bhushan was requested by 50,000 children from 24 Parganas who wrote the longest letter ever written. It is 12 kilometers long, which they brought to the office of the president saying, we want our brother Dominic to receive a Padma Bhushan.
Okay, sir. Sir, had you watched the film Slumdog Millionaire?
I have not seen the film yet, but I want to see it. I understand it's a great film.
It is always said that the Western world take India as a country of slums, slum dwellers. What do you feel?
I feel for me, it is the opposite. For me, I have found in a slum called the City of Joy, where I spent 2 years of my life, more positive values, more values of courage, of hope, of love, of sharing, which I think are values very useful for us in the Western world, where we have everything and we don't know it.
Sir, lastly, your message to the people, to the viewers of Sahara Samay in Bengali. You know Bengali very well,
No,
I think.
I do not know Bengali. I would just like to say, Sahara Zindabad, Bengal Zindabad, City of Joy, Anand Nagar Zindabad. And I would like to invite all the viewers also to share with those who do not have our luck. It is not necessary to go and live in a slum. Anybody can bring something to the poorest of the poor. That was the message of Mother Teresa. It's my message today. We can all together make this world a better world.